In this video I am going to tell you how you can get the best aspect ratio for your Instagram video using your Filmora video editing software. So I have added one video to my timeline in Filmora. So what I will do it, I will just right click on this and click on crop and zoom option. So after doing this, I will go down this ratio option. I will select 9:16 aspect ratio. I will adjust the size and I will click on OK. After that, you can see this black background is showing. I will again select this video and go to this option, preview quality and display setting. Click on change project aspect ratio. So after that, in aspect ratio I will again select 9:16 and click on OK. So black background is now changed to gray background. After that, I will simply export this video to Instagram aspect ratio. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.